Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V6 hardly lasts 5 minutes, you are likely facing a battery issue. This can occur due to battery wear over time, resulting in reduced capacity. If left unresolved, your vacuum cleaner will continue to perform poorly, making cleaning tasks increasingly difficult and frustrating. To carry out this battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a compatible replacement battery. First, ensure your Dyson V6 is unplugged and turned off. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button while pulling the battery away from the main body. Be gentle but firm, as you want to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, once the old battery is free, take a moment to inspect the connector. This is where the battery connects to the main unit. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Insert it carefully to avoid bending any pins. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, secure the new battery in place by sliding it into the slot until you hear a click. This indicates it is locked in position. To ensure everything is functioning properly, press the power button and check that your Dyson V6 operates smoothly. Lastly, reassemble the back casing, making sure to replace any screws you removed earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold the casing in place without stripping the screws. To avoid this problem in the future, consider using your Dyson V6 on lower power settings when possible, and regularly clean the filter to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.